Hello guys, today we are going to see how can we use API key based authentication method to get the data from the website. So we are using the Gemini for this tutorial, and let's start. So we need to come to this website ai.aistudio.google.com, and if you click this get API button, it will take you to this current page which I am on right now. So it gives us the base code that we can use to send a request to the API and get the prompts generated from the Gemini model. So, but we need to pass API key here to authenticate the request. So to get the API key, you need to create this create API key button, and it will open this pop-up for you, and you need to create a Google Cloud project first of all. So if you have any, you can search and select any of the project, and when you click this create API key button, it will give you the API key related to your request, and you can use that API key in here to send the request. Now, as we are using Python, not curl, so how can we convert this curl code into Python? So there is a website, you can use this, and if you paste that curl code by clicking here, and if you copy it and you paste it here, it will give you the equivalent Python code, and here you need to paste the API key that you will copy from uh, here, and rest is all okay and fine. So in headers, we are passing content type as application JSON. It is same as here. And in params, we pass the key, and in the JSON, we pass this JSON data dictionary, and it has this contents parts, and inside the parts, we pass the list of dictionaries, and we pass this prompt, we use this text key to pass our prompts. So we can type any prompt here, and it will use that prompt to generate the content for you. So let's start. So I have my own API key which I already generated, so you can create for your own self. And let's come on this editor. So I pasted that code here, and I have pasted my API key here. And make sure you don't share this API key with anyone, as anyone can use it or misuse it. So you don't know, so better not share. So once you paste it, and at the end, I've added an additional code which will check the response status, and if the response is okay, then it will create a JSON file for us using that response.json. So it will create another file for us so we can see that actually. So if I run this code, it should create a JSON for us. So as you can see, it has completed. Now let's go to this. So you can see it has generated JSON content for us, and inside this text key, we got our response content that this Gemini model generated for us. And it also returned us many other keys that we can use for our other metadata related understanding or usage, but it is the main response. So this was the topic request that I asked the model to generate the content for, and this is the content it returned us. So this is it for this video. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, you can leave in the comment section. I will try to answer all your questions, and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you for watching this video.